It is Wednesday, September 16th, 2015. I am Doug Neal, and this is Verbal to Visual Video. One of the most difficult things about sketchnoting is knowing what ideas to get on the page and what ideas that you can leave off of it. Today, I'm going to share one idea and a fairly simple idea that will help you make that decision. Let's start with the drawing. First, you've got your sketchbook. This is where you will be recording your ideas in a visual way. Here are the ideas that are coming at you, either in the talk that you're listening to, or the book that you're reading, or even your own brainstorming. Often it might feel that those ideas are coming in from all around you in different shapes and sizes. What I want you to imagine is a filter that exists between those ideas and your sketchbook. And what that filter represents is your intent. And what I mean by intent is what you want to get out of this specific note-taking session. To know what goes on the page and what doesn't, you need to know why you're here in the first place. When you have a clearly defined intention going into a note-taking session, it makes it much easier to know which ideas you can let fly on by and which make it through that filter and actually land on your page. Here are 2 questions that will help you define your own intent prior to any note-taking session. Why are you here, and what happens next? When you ask yourself those 2 questions, you will bring in both the purpose for you being here in the first place, and then also how what happens here affects what will happen in the future. Because ultimately, that's what your notes are for, to help inform your future actions. So the next time that you sit down to take some visual notes, especially if you're doing so in a live setting where the ideas are coming fast, take just a little bit of time to answer those 2 questions and define for yourself your intention so that you have an easier time knowing what ideas are worth getting down and which you don't need to worry about. Thank you for watching. Let me know how this goes if you put this idea into practice, and I will see you tomorrow. Until then.